Hello South Africa. These areas in Johannesburg will have water shut down. Some areas will face water supply interruptions this week while the team completes planned maintenance, and some areas it's going to be an unplanned maintenance, according to Johannesburg Water. Residents in the impacted areas are warned that water supplies can be interrupted and are urged to make alternative water supply arrangements in advance for this time. The following areas will be affected: Waverley, date September 27, 2023, time 7 to 1800 hours, street names: Bruce Street, Waller Street, Burn Street. Shepesong Phase 7, date September 28, 2023, time 8 to 1900 hours, street names: all streets. Meanwhile, due to a shortage of water, Johannesburg Water and Rand Water have asked residents and customers to use it sparingly. The utility said they are observing an increase in water consumption from customer meters that are already connected to the system. The utilities issued a warning that the system is being strained by the rise. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.